Honestly, I don't even think I'm close to him. Like Muhammad Ali, what Allah give him, He don't give me. It's like he was very big example for millions of people around the world. Not only one community, like for example, like for Muslim community or for US people. Like he was like everywhere. Like even like I don't know how to say, like even for black people, he was like very big example. Like he was involved so many things, and his name is gonna be in history long time. And I never think like of course I look at him, and I watch his fights, I watch how he talk, I watch like what he do, a lot of things, but I don't think I'm even like close to Muhammad Ali. If I wanna move like Muhammad Ali in the ring, yes, of course. But no, I don't wanna be like Muhammad Ali. I look at our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Like these people, like even like Muhammad Ali or other people, they can inspire us. But when we need something, like find like knowledge or do like follow someone, we have already. Allah give us. Allah choose him. We don't choose him. Allah choose him.